Hello, I'm John Sichon, Rappler reporter for the Visayas, and we are now entering the final stages of the Sinulog sa Sugbo Philippines 2024 and the 459th Fiesta Senior. A while ago, we were able to talk to the devotees, more specifically the dancers who are really giving it their all for the Senior Santo Niño or the Child Jesus. Very interesting enough, we were able to talk to very interesting people, starting off with Jetro Narciso, who is a performer who comes all the way from, I believe, Negros Oriental. And Jetro told us how much he really admired the support he got from the local government units, authorities, and officials, and of course, supporters of the dance group that he is a part of. We also got to talk to Margin Salve, who is a choreographer who shared how the Santo Niño changed his life by saving him. And we also got to talk to Cherry De Los Reyes. Now, Cherry, she told us that as a devotee, she really was able to feel the spirit of the Santo Niño dance with her throughout the entire performance. These are just a few of the stories that we heard today, but we know for sure that many people's lives were touched in the performances, in the novena, and of course, with the community that they have around them, full of the faithfuls and devotees that are present here today. I'm sure that we'll be able to see more of that tomorrow with the awarding ceremony and of course the Thanksgiving Day.
So isa po ako sa mga dance master at saka naging dancer sa contingent po na ito. So this is our first time na sumali sa Sinulog 2024. And since first time namin to, it is our proud and honor to represent our city and most especially the province of Negros Oriental. So for all of the sleepless nights, months, and days that we've spent upang makamit ang ganitong kaingrandeng presentation, lahat ng efforts, lahat ng mga problema, mga sacrifices na nagpasa namin para lang makamit ang ganitong klaseng kaganda-gandang presentation. So malaking pasalamat namin sa Sinulog Foundation for inviting us, and most especially to our beloved Mayor Jose Chubasco Cardenas for supporting us, and most especially the whole Salta Canlaon officials, the department heads, and the DepEd of Education, and our Governor of Negros Oriental for supporting us all throughout this journey.
Usa sa choreographer aning akong contingent nga naa sa likod, which is ang Pasayaw Festival from Canlaon City, Negros Oriental.
Are you also from Negros Oriental, sir?
No, I'm from Cebu City.
Oh, okay. So homegrown ka dito, you're a devotee as well?
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. Actually, I have my little Niño here.
Okay. So how long have you been a devotee, sir, of Santo Niño?
Since yung Tagalog na lang yung muntikan ako mawala dito sa mundo.
Really? Bakit?
I got dengue fever.
Okay. So itong parang, can we call it a near-death experience?
Yes,
Can this near-death experience brought you closer to the Santo Niño?
exactly.
And because of that, ano nangyari? So you became a choreographer? Ano ba yung story mo?
Choreographer talaga akong dati pa. Then yung nangyari kasi, in-invite ako sa ibang lugar na magtuturo ng sinulog. Tapos ako, anong tawag nito? Parang nag-ayaw ako sa invitation nila kasi may tinuruan ako na iba. Then di ko alam kung ano nangyari sa akin. One day na lang na nilagnat ako. Grabe yung lagnat ko. That was December 23. And that time na nag-invite yung ibang lungsod sa akin para magturo para sa sinulog. Tapos sabi ko, wag muna kasi may tuturuan ako na iba. On December 22 morning, nilagnat na ako. Grabe yung lagnat ko, tapos hindi ko alam. Matamlay, as in, wala talaga akong yung lakas. Tapos sabi ng namin, kapitbahay, magpa-check up daw ako kasi bumaba talaga. Grabe talagang bagsak ng katawan ko. Sabi nila magpa-check up ka. Tapos pumunta ako ng ospital. Doon nalaman ko na dengue pala ako. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko nakuha yun. So, na-confine ako ng ospital, 22, 23, 24, 25, doon ako nag-Christmas. 27, yung kaibigan ko, nagbigay sa akin ito. Sabi niya,
Santo Niño mo.
oo, sabi niya, hawakan mo, manalangin ka. Ay niya, manalangin ka. Pagkagabi nun, binigay niya, as in, bumaba talagang platelet ng dugo ko. As in, walang-wala na talaga. Parang sa isip ko, this is my end na talaga. O, tapos, yung gabi, nagdasal ako, grabe talagang dasal ko. Grabe talaga, tinatawag ko na tayo lahat ng, tinatawag ko na lahat ng, ng Diyos. At saka, pang-last ito, sabi ko, Senyor Santo Niño, kung ito yung paraan mo na babalik ako, sasayaw ako, ako sa iyo, pagalingin mo ako, babalik ako magturo.
At bumalik ka din.
Pagka-umaga, tumaas yung platelet ko. After that, pinalabas ako ng doktor, umalis ako, pumunta ako sa lugar na nag-invite sa akin. Doon na nagsimula. Na as in super devoted talaga ako nito. Hindi ko talaga, every time na magtuturo ako, lagi ito nandito sa kamay ko. Kahit matulog ako, nakaganyan ako, kahit matulog ako. Tapos di ako makatulog pag wala ito sa kamay ko. Super devoted talaga ako nito.
Kung may-ari na, if there's a way for you to give a message to the Santo Niño, ano po yung mensahe niyo para sa Santo Niño?
Ang mensahe ko na, hindi talaga ito mensahe. Pasalamat ko sa kanya. At the same time, bigyan pa rin ako niya ng mataas na edad. Maraming taon na makapagsilbes ka every sinulog. Yung hinihiling ko lang sa kanya, di ako magkasakit. Lagi niya akong gagabayan. Yun lang.
Kumusta naman yung experience nyo after the performance?
Honestly lang po, nakakapagod. Kasi yung kalaban po talaga is yung init po ng araw. Hindi naman po kasi lahat same ng tolerance when it comes to heat po. Tapos same of endurance po. But gladly to say na lahat po kami wala naman po na ambulance so far. By the guidance of Senior Santo Niño po, Balaang Bata. So nag-guide po kami hanggang sa repeat performance po namin kanina.
Tanong ko lang, na-feel nyo ba yung presence ni Santo Niño?
Yes po, yes po. Ramdam ko pa talaga kanina po kasi sakit po talaga ng ulo ko po kanina. And then, normally po pag ganun, nagtitake po ako ng medicine po, mefenamic acid. Kasi hindi po kasi yung tolerance ko ng pain po. But I prayed po na to guide me up until at the end po. Kasi sayang naman po yung mga practices namin tapos sa end point na po hindi ako makapag-perform sa stage po. So I prayed. Thank you Senior Santo Niño. And such a miraculous po talaga.
But stay tuned for more updates coming from us at Rappler.com. And follow us at the Rappler at the Faith channel on our Rappler community app as well.